All right, folks, here comes the Union Pacific Manifest train on the far right track at Reno Sparks, Nevada. This one has a CX unit telling us number 2, and that's it. Let's see if we could get a horn shot. Thank you. Thank you for that one. 4254 and 5362 CX unit. Woohoo! All right, see ya. It's a long UP Manifest train. Third Union Pacific catch of the day. Plus 1996 is still in the siding back there in Reno. Still waiting on that train to come. Here comes some auto racks with that. Train is going to the yard. Excuse the shaking, and my arm is getting a little bit tired holding the tripod. Looks like this train is about to come to a stop. Here comes some more of those new auto rack cars. Look at those brand new auto rack cars. It's kind of hard to see the graffitis on the auto rack because it's on the siding track over there off the main line. That's a nice graffiti on that one. Here comes the end of it. Here comes the end of it once again. This is the third Union Pacific train I just recorded today. Excuse me. All right, folks, there she goes into the Sparks, Nevada yard. All right, folks, this is Marcel saying peace out. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. And please subscribe me to Marcel Hall Channel 2 YouTube channel, my second account. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.